Wi-Fi, short for wireless fidelity, is a technology that allows devices like smartphones, laptops, and tablets to connect to the internet without using physical cables. It works by transmitting data through radio waves over a wireless network. A Wi-Fi network consists of a wireless router or access point that sends and receives data to and from connected devices. When a device wants to connect to Wi-Fi, it sends a request to the router, which authenticates and assigns it an IP address. This IP address allows the device to communicate with other devices and access the internet. Wi-Fi operates on different frequencies, typically 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and has a limited range depending on factors like interference and obstructions. It provides convenience and flexibility, enabling users to access the internet from anywhere within the coverage area of the Wi-Fi network.